Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard in this smartphone. So we have to go for the Play Store and get green Apple keyboard, and with this application we will be able to use lookalike iOS keyboard, and the application is totally free, you don't have to pay for it, so it's worth to get it if you want to apply iPhone keyboard. Right now click open, tap to enable in the settings, click on the switcher, click activate. Right now just go back, click to switch input methods, switch to English United States and go for the finish. Right now let's open our keyboard. Okay, let's skip this one, and as you can see, after a few moments, wait a minute. Okay, let's stop here for example. As you can see right now, our keyboard has changed and it looks very close to the iOS original keyboard, and you got also here the emojis that you can use. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.